So let's do a quick flip through just to kind of go through all of it. So we have the lace. We have a 2-inch spine. Oof. Bunch of dust on the back. I think it's 2. Can't remember, 2.5. And then this is our completed journal ready for a loving home. So I will post this journal on my Etsy shop at Shell Bears Creations on Etsy, and I will put the link below. So if you're interested in this, you can go over there and pick up this journal. And here is a journaling card. But what a fun journal. I really enjoyed, you know, spending this time with you guys, getting to know some of you better. So this one has a journaling spot and, well, 2 journaling spots. This one has 2 little tags for journaling spots there. Ideal magazine paper. There's something in every pocket. We made sure of that. And tons of journaling spots in this book if you are a journaler. It'd be perfect for pictures and stuff also, because there's not tons of coffee dyed paper. Sorry, excuse me. We have a couple of little hidden journaling spots, which I love to add into my books. A couple of fold overs with paper clips. A couple of fabric flips. Another envelope with a little journaling spot. More music paper. Ideal magazine paper, which I love. Some more journaling spots, an old play card. Some charms in here. More journaling spots. A little doily. Card here. Some stenciling. Some wrapping paper. 3 signatures. That was an ideal page, wrapping paper, an old doily out of old music paper. More journaling spots there. Tons of journaling in here. And so fun. Super fun. Well, some guest checks that you can journal on the back of. Super fun. I forgot a little card here. So, what do I want to do about that? Do I want to put something? Let's see what this is. Ooh, that's really right. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that blank, and I may come back and put something in there just because I kind of spaced it. And then some more journaling space. So there is finally the completed Junk Journal Basics book that we have been working on. Again, if you're interested, head over to my Etsy shop, and it will be listed by the time this video goes up.